Never say lifetime. Because if you say lifetime, someone technically could sue you when you're 75 years old and you stop this business and like, you said lifetime. That means all the way until I die or until you die, right?
What do I do with deliverables for Be Still A? Because I do coach like I do 3 calls in there a month.
You're gonna eventually,
then-
so in the short term, don't change anything. But
Okay.
once the product on the high ticket side is ready, you're going to want to make a public announcement. And it can be one of those emotional posts like, listen, guys, my time has come to an end. In 30 days out or 60 days out, you can give a heads up for 30, 60 days. I'm going to be transitioning eventually to this future community. And by the way, you're not committed because it's monthly. So they pay you for a month for the next 30 days of you servicing them. So if you just stop billing everyone.
The other one was the one-time fee, the BSA.
Yeah, but what did you say? For a one-time fee, you're going to get 30 years of me coaching for you for every single week
I
for the
just
next
said
30
as
years.
long as we're up and running.
And you said the right thing. As long as you're up and running, which means that in a couple months from now, it's no longer going to be up and running. Never, by the way, you did the right thing. You never say lifetime. Because if you say lifetime, someone technically could sue you when you're 75 years old and you stop this business and like, you said lifetime. That means all the way until I die or until you die, right? Which
Maybe I could keep the Bible
yeah.
study for everyone, like
You could 100%. Like, but from a pure ethical and business standpoint, if you're billing them monthly, then you only have to fulfill them for the next 30 days after you stop billing them. And for the other people, like you said,
they got so
until you're
much
up and
free
running.
stuff.
They got so much free stuff. Exactly. So you're good. Good.
And then the monthly, we close it down. What if the other coaches they just want to be in it? Can I still have it on the side? But no, because then I'm adamant. I run all the Zooms. I'm in all the Zooms. I'm spending all my time. It's like
You could sell it if you really wanted to. You could sell it. You could shut it down completely. You could give it else to someone else to run and then have them basically just do a rev share with you, or they get 80% of the sales moving forward and they just give you a 20% licensing fee, given that it just in perpetuity. You could do that. Just give it to one of your top coaches that you really trust. These are all options.